Want to use Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser instead of Microsoft Edge? Here's how to change your default browser in Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. Now, select Apps from the left sidebar. Next, click on Default Apps. Scroll down and find the browser you want to set as default, for example, Google Chrome. Click on it, and you'll see a list of file types like .htm, .html, HTTP, and HTTPS. Click on each one and select your preferred browser instead of Microsoft Edge. Once done, your new browser will open all web links by default. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default browser in Windows 11. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick Windows tips.